Hi, Abe. Are you riding the boat? Oh, look. Hey, can you guys say thank you to Banoy and Umnoy for the boat?
Thank you. Now it's ours now.
Say thank you for the boat.
Thank you for giving us this cute boat. I'm going to...
You're silly, Aiden.
I'm the winner.
You're the winner?